Hello, if you are jealous of another trader having higher facilitation of customs, in terms of waiver of customs intervention, faster clearance of international shipment at customs port, reduced logistics cost and time, less documents, and real-time shipment updates and many other, then don't be passive. You can also avail these benefit with minimum requirement of AEO, like the previous one. Balaji Venkateshwar, back again with another video focusing on AEO benefit in short, which international trader are availing after being AEO compliant. If you are in international business of export or import of your goods and services, then this video is for you. Keep watching this video. Before moving forward, please click the bell icon and subscribe our channel to get the notification of our latest updates. With the globalization of world economy, the awareness of international security supply chain has increased. AEO program is such of an initiative of World Customs under SAFE framework. Indian Customs has taken a lot of initiative in implementing AEO. Article 7.7 of WTO Trade Facilitation Agreement, TFA also provides for implementation of Authorized Operator Scheme on the basis of international standards, where such standards exist. In the light of these international developments, as well as in view of the focus of the Government of India on ease of doing business, our Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs has implemented single window to facilitate trade. Importers and exporters can electronically lodge their customs clearance documents at a single point. They can avail the facility of DPD, DPE, Deferred Duty Payment, RMS facilitation and e-delivery system. Under the supervision of the international shipment, a lower risk score in risk analysis systems is being done while profiling the AEO compliant business entity. The computerized risk management system has brought transparency and reduced frequency of custom inspections significantly. Under customs facilitation, AEO T3 shall be accorded highest level of facilitation, as compared to AEO T2 and AEO T1, in imports and export of their consignments. Their containers will not be selected for scanning except on the basis of specific intelligence. Current customs facilitates faceless, paperless and contactless customs. Under faceless assessment, there is a provision of remote and uniform customs assessment of shipment. It will be faster and anonymous assessment. Under paperless customs concept, importer, exporter or customs broker on their behalf are submitting digitally signed electronic documents on a Sanchit platform of aegis system. Nowadays Indian customs is leading towards contactless customs, where there is minimal or no contact of trader or their agents with customs officer. The provision has been made for online goods registration, automated queuing and machine-enabled customs out of charge. Turant Seva Kendra has been placed for document verification. All AEO compliant entity either T1 or T2 or T3 status holders are entitled for DPD and DPE facility. DPD is commonly known as direct port delivery of imported goods, and DPE is commonly known as direct port entry for exporting containers. DPD system ensure just-in-time concept of inventory management, where importer used to save some amount of CFS expenses in their shipment. We can see on this screen that release time is very less in comparison of non-DPD business entity. Therefore, it is regarded as one of the premier benefit for AEO entity. Under DPE benefit, factory stuffing permission is allowing the stuffing of containers in their factory premises, under Central Excise Supervision or GST Department, who intends to export goods under various export promotion schemes. Under e-sealing procedure, the exporter shall seal the container with the tamper-proof electronic seal of standard specification. The electronic seal should have a unique number, which should be declared in the shipping bill. The customs officer would verify the integrity of the electronic seals to check for tampering if any en route. The exporter under AEO compliant will be waived of this seal verification at port. Another benefit of AEO are waiver of full or part of the bank guarantee requirements, and waiver of merchant overtime fees. As per table here, trader has to make the bank guarantee, under Regulations 2, 3 and 4 of Customs Provisional Duty Assessment Regulation 2011. These regulations require 3 elements. A. Deposit of 20% of the differential duty, between provisional duty and duty to be finally assessed or reassessed. B. Execution of a bond. C. Surety or security or both. as deemed. As per CBIC board, the requirement of security needs to be met either obtaining by a bank guarantee or a cash deposit. Currently, customs are focusing towards post-audit clearance at premises of international business community. AEO compliant entity can go for request-based site inspection and examination of goods. Therefore, OSPCA is a single point audit combining customs and indirect taxes. OSPCA has been globally approved mechanism to provide greater customs facilitation in terms of faster clearances to trading community. Another main benefit for AEO Tier 2 and Tier 3 entity is deferred duty payment. It is a mechanism for delinking duty payment from customs clearance and thus resulting in cost saving. It is based on the principle of clear first, pay later. This is very important for importer for smoothing of their cash flow and liquidity. Mutual recognition agreements, also known as MRA. MRAs are bilateral understandings between two customs administrations, which allow one business partnership program to recognize the AEO validations of the other country's program, and extend reciprocal benefits to each other's AEO. Indian Customs has signed mutual recognition agreement with South Korea, Taiwan, Hong Kong Customs and others to enable trade to get facilitation benefits on reciprocal basis. So, if your business entity is AEO compliant, then instead of original document, self-certified copies of trading agreement origin, that is certificate of origin, COO or any other certificates required for clearance, would be accepted by Indian Customs for clearance purposes. Under AEO program, faster disbursal of drawback amount through process has been eased out via Circular 18-2017 of Indian Customs dated 29 May 2017. There is provision of faster tracking of adjudication cases, and subsequently faster disbursement of refund amount. At all customs jurisdiction, a client relationship manager will be appointed as CRM. CRM will be looking after extending facilitation or benefits listed in the AEO circular to the AEO status holders. CRM will be assisting in filing AEO applications, and also getting procedural and operational issues resolved by coordinating with different sections within customs, as well as other stakeholders. So, at the end of the session, AEO benefit can be summarized here. Hope you must have got some ideas on AEO. If you are interested in video like this, then click the bell icon and subscribe our channel to get the notification of our latest updates. Thanks for watching.